Here's the results of the cookies. So this part of the cookies, they're kind of decent in shape. They're like all squishing together into squares. So I took like a butter knife and just like cut it in halves. But yeah, I tasted one and it tastes so good. You could taste like the element and soft and crunchy. It's not like store-bought cookies, because they're nasty. Even crumble cookies nasty, but like I want sugar. But yeah, they're okay. This is my first time making these thumbprint cookies. I think that's what they're called. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video, and we see you on the next cooking video.